Good morning, class. Today we will solve some question of exercise 2B that is asked by a student, and exercise 2F of question 8. Homework: solve the worksheet in notebook. I have given in PDF form. Then you will solve the worksheet in notebook in proper way में. And let's start exercise 2F question number 8. A basket contains 3 types of fruits weighing 38:1/3 kg in all. If 7:1/9 kg of these are oranges and 8:1/5 kg are pineapple and rest are melons, what is the weight of melons in the basket? Then go to solution. A total basket weight is 38:1/3 kg, and we will solve this mixed fraction in fraction, and that is 38 into 3 plus 1/3, that is 114 plus 1/3, then that is 115/3 kg, total weight of basket. Then come to pineapple weight. Pineapple weight is 8:1/5 kg, and that is also in mixed fraction, and we will convert in fraction simple or rational number, that is 8 into 5 plus 1/5, 8 5 is 40 plus 1/5, that is 41/5 kg of weight of pineapple. And come to orange weight, that is 7:1/9 kg. This is also in mixed fraction, that is convert in fraction, that is there is 7 into 9 plus 1, there is 7 and 63 plus 1/9 is equal to 64/9 kg. So melon weight, we will subtract total weight minus pineapple weight plus orange weight. Then there is 115/3 minus 41 in bracket 41/5 plus 64/9. Again we will solve this expression 115/3 minus in bracket. We will take LCM of these two denominators 5 and 9, that is 45. So 41 into 9 plus 64 into 5/45. Then 115/3 minus 369 plus 320/45, that is in brackets. Then 115/3 minus 689/45. And again we will solve this expression. We will take LCM 3 and 45, and LCM of 3 and 45 is 45. So 115 into 15 minus 689 into 1, so 1725 minus 689/45, and we will get the result 1036. This is answer in kg, or this is the weight of melon. Or we will solve this expression and make mixed fraction, that is 23:1/45 kg. Now come to the question given in homework from exercise 2B, page number 29 of your book, and question number is 5. Verify the following. We will start last question, last part D. Minus 5/2 into minus 2 plus 11/3 bracket is equal to minus 5/2 into minus 2 plus minus 5/2 into 11/3. And this expression shows the distributive property of multiplication. There is means 5 minus 5/2 in multiplying minus 2, and 5 minus 5/2 in multiplying 11/3 here is. So we will solve both expression. This is LHS expression, this is RHS expression. So minus 5/2 into minus 2/1 plus 11/3, we will take LCM 3 and 1 in RHS part. Minus 5 into minus 2/2 plus minus 5 into 11/2 into 3. So minus 5/2 into minus 2 into 3 plus 11 into 1/3 is equal to 10/2 minus 55/6. We will take LCM of 2 and 6. Minus 5/2 into minus 6 plus 11/3 is equal to 10 into 3 minus 55 into 1/6. Then we will solve this expression. Minus 5/2 into 5/3 is equal to 30 minus 55/6. So 5 into 5/2 into 3 is equal to minus 25/6. Here 25 minus 25 upon 6 is equal to minus 25 is equal to 6. So verified this both terms, verified LHS is equal to RHS, because this is the distributive property of multiplication. Now come to C part. 1 upon 3 into in bracket 0 plus minus 7 upon 6 bracket close is equal to 1 upon 3 into 0 plus 1 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 6. This is also the distributive property of multiplication. So 0 and this becomes minus 7 upon 6. So 1 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 6 is equal to, that is 0. 0 plus 1 into minus 7 upon 3 into minus 6. 1 into minus 7 upon 3 into 6 is equal to minus 7 upon 18. So minus 7 upon 18 is equal to minus 7 upon 18. Hence verified both expression. That is distributive property of multiplication. Now come to the next point, B part. Minus 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 3 plus minus 5 upon 6 is equal to minus 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 6. This is also the whole expression defined by the multiplication property of distributive. So solve this expression. Minus 3 upon 4 into 2 into 2 minus 5 into 1 upon 6 and minus 3 into 2 upon 4 into 3 plus minus 3 upon 3 into minus 5 into upon 4 into 6. We will divide by some terms and we will get the minus 3 upon 4 into 4 minus 5 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 into 1 upon 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 5 upon 4 into 2. Here we will solve this expression. Minus 3 into minus 1 upon 4 into 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 8. We will take LCM 2 and 8, that is 8. So minus 1 into minus 1 upon 4 into 2 is equal to minus 1 into 4 plus 5 into 1 upon 8. Then we will get the answer 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 8. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified distributive property of multiplication.